Want to clean your Bluesky feed by unfollowing someone? I'll show you how to do it quickly and easily in just a few steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unfollow someone on Bluesky app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Bluesky app on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Next, find the profile of the person you want to unfollow. You can do this by searching their name or scrolling through your feed. Once you're on their profile page, you'll see a button that says following. Tap on it. After tapping following, it will switch to follow. This means you've successfully unfollowed them and their posts will no longer appear in your feed. And that's it. You've unfollowed someone on Bluesky and your feed is now cleaner. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Tech My Life for more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're the first one to know when a new video drops.